Welcome to our education channel. So in this video I will show an interesting game. So this is the ancient game of NIM. So we need 20 coins. So not required exactly similar colors. Just take any 20 coins and two players can play this. Each time one player can pick up any 1 or 2 or 3. According to their wish they can pick up some coins. So for not more than 3. So compulsory either 1, 2 or 3. So for example A took 2 coins. Now turn to the B. So every time you must pick up either 1 or 2. 1 also you can take. Now the condition is who will pick up the last counter is the winner. Next for example A took again more 3 coins. Now next chance to the B. So B took again 3. Now these are the remaining coins. Now again A is taking only 1. You can take any 1, 2 or 3. Now B took 3 coins. Now chance to the A. A can take maximum is 3, right? Minimum is 1. So for example he took 3. Next B can take only 1, 2 or 3. For him no chance. Just he can take 2. Now last chance given to the A. He took all 2. So who took the last counter is the winner. So A took the last chance. So A is the winner. So now I will show how to win this game always. So it's a simple logic. There are total, now this is the bunch of 20 coins. We need to round off always to the 4. So this is the important number. For example, okay, first you will give chance to the A. Now for example B wants to win the game always. Now first chance to win to the A. So for example A, if you take 1 coin, B, to make it as 4 you must supposed to take 3, because 1 plus 3 is 4. Then only B always chance to get, because he can't take more than 3. Now for example A took 3 next. So to make it as 4, B is supposed to take only 1. Okay, always take the 4 multiples. Now next B, if for example if you take 2, he is supposed to take any 2. Okay, just out of this 20. Now A is taking 1. So to make it as multiple of 4 is supposed to take 3. Then only always you will get 4 remaining finally. So there is no chance for A, out of maximum is 3, that's it, right? So you can take 3, so remaining B will take. That's why, so B is got last chance, so B is the winner.